In this video, I'll show you how to check performance in Google Ads, so you can monitor how your campaigns are actually performing and make informed decisions. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking Campaigns in the left navigation menu. This section displays all your campaigns along with key performance metrics in a table view. Here you can review important data such as impressions, clicks, click-through rate, CTR, cost, average CPC, and conversions. These metrics help you understand how often your ads are shown, how users interact with them, and whether they are leading to meaningful actions. You can also adjust the date range at the top of the dashboard to compare performance over time, such as the last 7 days or last 30 days. For deeper analysis, open Insights and Reports and use built-in reports to examine campaign, ad group, or keyword performance. Always interpret results within your campaign goals before making changes. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.